Hello kids, today we are going to learn our national symbols of India. Let's begin. National Father of India, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is our national father. National flag of India, Tiranga. Tiranga is our national flag. National animal of India, Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is our national animal. National flower of India, Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. National bird of India, Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. National fruits of India, Mango. Mango is our national fruit. National tree of India, Banyan tree. Banyan tree are national tree. National aquatic animal of India, River dolphin. River dolphin is our national aquatic animal. National sport of India, Field hockey. Field hockey is our national sport. National river of India, the Ganga. The Ganga is our national river. National emblem of India, State emblem of India. National currency of India, Indian rupee. Indian rupee is our national currency. National anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. National song of India, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. National heritage animal of India, Indian elephant. Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. National reptile of India, King Cobra. King Cobra is our national reptile. National vegetable of India, Pumpkin. Pumpkin is our national vegetable. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.